Hey you guys, it's Nurse Abalori. Welcome to A Day in My Life. Here on 1720 Faith, we talk about God, of course, living a debt-free journey, enjoying life to the fullest. That means vacationing, eating healthy, and all the good things. So typically my day starts out with reading my Bible, journaling, meditating, and just kind of diving deeper into God's word. For me, I hone in on my faith. I really feel like, as Matthew 17:20 says, the faith of a mustard seed will get you through anything. And typically in the mornings around 9 a.m., this is what I do. So, okay, you guys know that in my day-to-day activities, I'm a board certified registered nurse of over 20 years. I have been in healthcare over 30. And for a lot of people, they don't know. My specialty was ICU. It is now home health and geriatrics, but more specifically in home health, I deal with IV long-term therapy patients. That means I go to the patient's homes. They have port lines, PICCs, peripheral IVs, and I simply infuse their treatments as the doctor orders. During this particular day, I had to put out an order to gather some supplies because I had to go to a couple homes for my patients to get their treatments. And this includes ordering needles, ordering vacuumers, which are the plastic things that help collect the blood. And then, of course, you guys see here some purple, gold, and blue top vacuumers that we collect our blood in. And typically for my patients, I get their blood from their central lines, such as a PICC line or a portacath. My last patient, she had a portacath in her chest. And from that portacath is where I collected her blood. So you guys know this, I have been a nurse for many years, and this by far has been one of the areas in nursing that I really, really, really enjoy, so much so that I am going to be going for my PICC line insertion training as well as other things. So you guys know, on the lines of 1720 Faith, on my other channel, I talk about budgeting and kind of living a debt-free journey. Here is a day where I set aside typically on Sundays to do my update of my budgets and just kind of, see where my money lies. Part of getting out of debt free is going and working in my side hustle business, Thrift the RM, and that is where I have a reselling business. And this particular day, I went and I received an order. I packaged it. I dropped it off to my mailbox for the postal lady to pick up. And yeah, this is probably by far one of the easiest side hustles you can ever do. So if you have some things laying around your house, some things you are thinking about getting rid of or want to sell, I encourage you to start a Poshmark closet today. I will link my referral code for a $10 off and to start your closet for free. Sundays, you guys, is my reset day. It is a day where I go out to do my errands. This particular day, I ordered my groceries online, and I was going to pick up my groceries from my local food line here near me. One of the things that I do on Sundays is I definitely do a Sunday reset. And that's kind of where, again, I do my grocery shopping. I clean house. I cook dinner for the week, or at least I try to cook dinner for the week. I try to meal prep. Doesn't always go as planned, but I try. Anyway, if you are a person and you are very, very, very busy, please consider utilizing grocery ordering online and then picking it up. It will save you so much time. And again, I just go get in line and let them know I'm here. So that is it. See you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoy a day in my life.